तिमी यति चाँडै किन फर्क्यौ? Why did you come back so soon? Why did you come back so soon? Soon चाँडो अथवा छिटो. Why did you come back so soon? मलाई त्यो ठाउँ मन परेन. I didn't like that place. I didn't like that place. के उसले तिमीलाई धोका दियो? Did he betray you? Did he betray you? Betray, B-E-T-R-A-Y, betray, धोका दिनु. Did he betray you? ऊ जस्तो मान्छेहरूलाई कहिल्यै भरोसा नगर्नु. Never trust people like him. Never trust people like him. Trust भनेको भरोसा अथवा विश्वास गर्नु. Never trust people like him. के त्यो गर्ने तिमी नै हौ? Are you the one who did it? Are you the one who did it? होइन, त्यो मेरो साथी थियो. No, it was my friend. No, it was my friend. के मैले अरूहरूलाई खबर गर्नु पर्छ अथवा खबर गरौँ? Should I inform the others? Should I inform the others? Inform, खबर गर्नु. Should I inform the others? मैले उनीहरूलाई खबर गरिसकेँ. I've informed them already. I've informed them already. के उनी तिम्रो साथी हुन्? Is she your friend? Is she your friend? मैले उनलाई पहिले कहिल्यै देखेको छैन. I have never seen her before. I have never seen her before. Before, पहिले. I have never seen her before. तपाईं हेरिरहनु भएको छ हाम्रो English Guru YouTube channel. You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel, your place to learn English. आजको भिडियोमा यसरी नै सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण अंग्रेजीको वाक्यहरूको हामी अभ्यास गर्नेछौं क्वेशन र आन्सरको फर्म्याटमा. बालबालिकाहरू किन धेरै प्रश्नहरू सोध्छन्? Why do children ask a lot of questions? Why do children ask a lot of questions? Questions नभन्नुहोला, questions. Questions, questions. Why do children ask a lot of questions? बच्चाहरू त्यस्तै नै हुन्छन्. That is how children are. That is how children are. केही तरकारीहरू ताजा हुन्? Are these vegetables fresh? Are these vegetables fresh? V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. Vegetables. अगाडिको veg, पछाडिको tables. vegetables. Are these vegetables fresh? म सधैँ ताजा तरकारीहरू किन्छु. I always buy fresh vegetables. I always buy fresh vegetables. Fresh को अर्थ ताजा. I always buy fresh vegetables. मैले यसलाई किन लान मिल्दैन? Why can't I take it? Why can't I take it? किनकि यो तिमीलाई आवश्यक पर्ने छैन. Because you won't need it. Because you won't need it. के तिमीले उत्तर पत्ता लाएनौ? Didn't you find the answer? Didn't you find the answer? तिमीले मलाई सोधेको भए हुन्थ्यो नि. You should have asked me. You should have asked me. के यो राम्रो कुरा हो कि नराम्रो कुरा हो? Is this a good thing or a bad thing? Is this a good thing or a bad thing? नराम्रा कुराहरूमा ध्यान नदेऊ. Don't focus on bad things. Don't focus on bad things. Focus को अर्थ ध्यान दिनु. Don't focus on bad things. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, Hamro English Guru, if you haven't subscribed already. यो च्यानल मात्र होइन, हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लास युट्युब च्यानललाई पनि सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नछुटाउनुहोला र यस्तै सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण भिडियोहरू कहिल्यै नछुटाउनको लागि दुईटै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नुहोला. तिमी कहिले आउँछौ? When will you come? When will you come? म समयमै आउने कोसिस गर्छु. I will try to come in time. I will try to come in time. तिमीहरू यति चाँडो कसरी आयौ? How did you arrive so fast? How did you arrive so fast? यहाँ you ले तिमीहरूलाई जनायो. You ले सिंगुलर प्लुरल दुईटैको काम गर्छ. मतलब you ले तिमीलाई पनि जनाउँछ, तिमीहरू भनेर पनि जनाउँछ. How did you arrive so fast? हामीहरू गाडीमा आयौं. We came in a car. We came in a car. के तिमी उसलाई मन पराउँदैनौ? Do you not like him? Do you not like him? उत्तरमा म उसलाई मन पराउँदिन किनकि ऊ बच्चा जस्तै छ. I don't like him because he is childish. I don't like him because he is childish. Childish, बच्चा जस्तो. I don't like him because he is childish. के यो खतरनाक छैन? Isn't this dangerous? Isn't this dangerous? Dangerous, खतरनाक अथवा जोखिमपूर्ण. Isn't this dangerous? कहिलेकाहीँ जोखिम पनि लिनु पर्छ. You must take risks sometimes. You must take risks sometimes. Risks, जोखिम. You must take risks sometimes. के तिमीलाई लाग्छ कि तिमी यो गर्न सक्छौ? Do you think you can do it? Do you think you can do it? म सक्दो कोसिस गर्नेछु. I'll try my best. I'll try my best. Be sure to like and share this video. भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न नछुटाउनुहोला. तिमी किन अध्ययन गरिरहेको छैनौ? Why aren't you studying? Why aren't you studying? अध्ययन गरेनौ भने अनुतीर्ण हुनेछौ. You will fail if you don't study. You will fail if you don't study. के तिमी पोखरा गएका छौ? Have you been to Pokhara? Have you been to Pokhara? म त्यहाँ कहिल्यै गएको छैन. I've never been there. I've never been there. के तिमी त्यहाँ जान चाहन्छौ? Do you want to go there? Do you want to go there? म त्यहाँ एकदमै जान चाहन्छु. Yes, I want to go there badly. Yes, I want to go there badly. Badly, नराम्रोसँग अथवा एकदमै. यहाँ चाहिँ एकदमैको अर्थ लाग्यो. Yes, I want to go there badly. म यो कहाँ पाउन सक्छु? Where can I find it? Where can I find it? अब यसको उत्तरमा तिमी यो जुनै पनि पसलमा पाउन सक्छौ. You can find it in any shop. You can find it in any shop. तिमी कसरी सफल भयौ? How did you become successful? How did you become successful? Successful, successful को अर्थ सफल. How did you become successful? र यसको राम्रो उत्तर हो, मैले कहिल्यै हार मानिन. I never gave up. I never gave up. This much for the video. Take care and have a beautiful day.